Hi friends, I am Agnes and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to unbox and overview this Philips hair straightening brush. So in this video we are going to find out how is this straightening brush, how are the bristles, what type of straightening it does and what type of finish it gives to your hair. So let's get started. So friends, let us start with the packaging first. It comes in a cartoon box like this. It's written here Philips Style Care Advanced Heated Straightening Brush. Naturally straight hair in 5 minutes. Now it has silk ProCare Keratin infused ceramic coating. It has 2 temperature settings, triple bristle design and large pedal shape brush. So the model number of this brush is H44880. The price out here is given 3,495, but I have got this from Flipkart for rupees 2,800. So that's all about the packaging. Now let me open the packet and see what are the things inside. So inside the box you get a user manual, a guarantee card and this brush. So now let me take out the brush, keep them aside. So the friends, see, this is the brush you get. The quality of the brush is nice. The finish is also quite good. It has a matte finish here and in front it has glossy finish. Now it has 2 temperature setting. Now 0 means it is in the off mode. First temperature, that is 170 degrees Celsius. This is for thin to medium hair, and the second one is 200 degrees Celsius, that is for thick hair. It has 360 degree rotating wire. You can see now I am rotating this, so very easily you can straighten your hair, and the wire is quite long. I'll open it and show you. The quality of the wire is also very good. See, the quality is very good and you get a quite long wire. See, if I double fold it like this, yes, it has a very long wire. So this is the plug you get. So now let us take a close look at the bristles. It says that it has triple design bristles. Yes, it has. See, the first line you can see these are very normal and straight bristles. Then you see a longer ones with round heads. These ones are longer ones with round head, and the purple ones which are inside, they are the ones which gets heated up. So now if I put my hand, see, this is my hand, and if I touch the brush, see, you can see now the purple one, which gets heated up. So there is a minimum 5 mm of gap between my palm and the purple bristles. So this shows that the scalp and the root of your hair will not get burnt. This brush is totally safe. Now friends, I have plugged on the straightening brush. Now I will put it on to the second temperature. So once you put on the brush, the light starts blinking. See? So once the light stops blinking and the light becomes steady, that means the brush is ready to use. So friends, before straightening your hair, I will always suggest you need to wash your hair. Your hair needs to be clean, first thing. Second thing, you need to detangle your hair before straightening, before using the brush. This will prevent your hair break, and you need to apply a heat protection spray before straightening your hair to protect your hair. So here I have used this one from L'Oreal Paris. So now that you can see friends, the brush is ready. That means the light has already stopped blinking, and you can see my hair friends, it's all wavy here. So I will show you. I'll just take a small section and I will show you how it straightens. Now friends, I am keeping the temperature setting on 200 degrees Celsius as my hair is very wavy, thick. Now friends, see, I will show you. Yes, it is not touching the scalp. See, I am trying to straighten it. I hope you are getting an idea. Now I'll take a small section like this. So Now friends, you can see that I am just simply brushing my hair, just as you brush with your hairbrush. See, I am brushing my hair. So I will do this way also. Yes, but I have done several times. See. Okay. Now I'll put it off. Now friends, you can see the difference, huh? This side, and I will open and show you the other side. See. So this side you can see the waves. This side you have seen the waves, and look this side. This side is straight. It doesn't give that a flat look. It gives a naturally straight look. See. So friends, it took 2 to 3 minutes to get this look. I'm sure if you do this for 5 minutes, you will get a better look. So friends, while straightening or while brushing in the higher temperature, which is 200 degrees Celsius, I could feel the brush was getting heated up. I could feel the heat, but the good thing is that the handle was not getting heated up. So overall friends, I will say that this straightening brush is really very easy to use. The quality of the brush is also quite good, and it comes in a reasonable price. The only con about this brush is that it is a bit heavier. So after brushing it for 2 minutes, you start feeling the weight of the brush. And I told you earlier that in order to get that straight look, you need to minimum brush your hair for 4 to 5 minutes. So it should have been a bit lighter. That's all in this video. I hope you will find this video helpful. See you next time. Till then, bye bye.